In this demo, we are going to use Metasploit on the left hand side here to launch a popular SMB based exploit against the Windows machine on the right. This attack, which is called Eternal Blue, exploits an SMB vulnerability and spreads itself laterally across various versions of unpatched Windows machines in the wild today. As you can see, on the Windows machine, which is the victim machine in this case, we have FortiClient installed on it, protecting it. And on the left hand side, we have Metasploit running, and we will go ahead and launch the Eternal Blue exploit. Now we'll put the target IP of the victim machine. And now we'll go ahead and launch the exploit. Now, as the exploit executes itself, you can immediately see that the FortiClient has reacted to the exploit and blocked it from actually being able to do any damage. We can further investigate this by going into the FortiClient console, clicking on the Application Firewall tab, and clicking on the list of applications blocked. And in here, we can see that the exploit was identified as the SMB server exploit and categorized as an exploit. So FortiClient has effectively detected and stopped the lateral movement of this exploit in its tracks.